Hi, it's been a minute. I have not posted in a long fucking time, but I'm back. And I've been really into DIY lately, so I wanted to show off something I did, something I made. They're not done. I will say right now, I do not claim to be punk. These are not punk pants, and no way, shape, or fashion. I'm not really punk. I am alternative. I do like punk music. I do have the ideology. Am I in punk communities? No. I'm just not. So I don't like claiming punk, but punk adjacent. Punk's weird stepsister who also likes other shit. So not a punk. Please do not call me that. Please don't call me goth either, even though I do like goth music. I just like what I like, bro. I'm literally wearing Sleeping with Sirens, okay? Do you really want to... Anyway, not the point. I am just really proud of these, and I wanted to show them off, so here we are. They're not completely done either. I want these to be like a Alexis's traveling pants situation, and I want to like add shit to them over time that like represent me and what I like, my beliefs, my music taste, me as a person. Just a very like personal piece of clothing that I get to have in my personal thing, and I made it. So I don't know, it's just really cool, and I wanted to show them off, so here we go. Well, I taught myself how to sew by sewing patches on these pants, so they're not very good. Here we go. These are literally like, these were just plain leggings when I got them. The zippers on them are fake zipper, completely fucking fake. There's no pocket in there. I do have a chain that I had like attached to it. I'm not gonna show you that because I need to fix it and I need to add shit to it too. So maybe in the next video I'll show it, but I'm not gonna show it this time. This is what we got going on patch wise. Some of these patches are from small businesses, or a stencil that I used to make the patch is from a small business, or they're from old t-shirts that I bought years ago that I cut up and made the graphics into patches. I'm just gonna go in order because I'm not quite sure how I want to do it. The first ones I did were this mushroom situation from a Spencer's t-shirt, this emo. These letters did not say that. They were letters from a sex work t-shirt, like sex work is real work, I think is what it said, t-shirt, and I ripped it apart because it was old. It was really fucking old. I bought it in like 2019. So I ripped it apart, took the letters off of it, and made emo. And then on this side, I took these also from Spencer's t-shirt, So Fucking High, and then Burn was also from a Sex Workers Will Work t-shirt. I don't remember what it said, but I borrowed those letters, okay? And I did those around the same time, like a couple weeks apart maybe. And then today I did buy these patches from this shop, Feral Punks on Instagram. Go follow them or get their patches. Their patches are really cool. I love their art. I just love their art. These patches came from them. That patch that I just showed you, and then this one is a ghost and a pumpkin, and then Do Not Fear the Unknown. Please don't judge how I have these on here. Please do not judge me. This is like the whole look of the front. Can we see everything? And then when I first did them, I also cut up the knees. The knees were not cut up when I got them. These were like normal leggings when I got them. Then these were kind of recent. I stitched them on there today, but I made this patch first. Is Motionless in White. This is literally painted on, and it's painted onto like denim jeans that my fiance was throwing away. So I cut a square or two out and was like, I'm gonna keep some of that for the future. Motionless in White, really shitty I literally hand painted this really shitty patch, and then we have the Spring Me the Horizon one that looks better because I got a stencil from Eternal Rot on Instagram. I'll show their Instagram on here. They have really cool like band stencils so you can make your own patches at home. This fabric is literally from a t-shirt, and I did the whole stencil thing with paint, stitched that bitch on there. And for character, I was cutting the ends off and I accidentally like cut a hole here. Like that is a hole that I cut, and I safety pinned it on there for now because I was finishing these whenever I cut it, and I was like, bro, I did not just cut a hole in these after I did all that. I'm not going back and like stitching that right now. We're not doing that. So those are my patch pants. It's my first like sewing project, and they're not done. I will add to them and clip shit on them and shit as time goes on, but for now, that's what they look like, and I'm gonna take them with me for my life and do shit to them. And yep, that's the video. Keep DIYing shit. Put some really cool crafts and art shit in the comments because I really love them and I love to see them, and I like to try so many different arts and crafts hobbies. I have too many, but it's what I love, so whatever. I'm happy to be back on YouTube, and maybe I'll post more videos in the future, who knows. Let me know if you want more. If not, that's cool. Have a good day.